Hey everybody, this is part two of my first HGA submission. Part one, I did all the 1990 Marvel Universe you see in the background there. Now for part two was the remaining four cards. These are all NBA cards. And I did color splash match card on all of them except for the Shaq rookie, which I did match team. And I did a custom on the Team USA basketball card. So let's get into it. First off, we have a 1992 Fanimation drawn by Jim Lee for Michael Jordan and Larry Bird. And it's by Upper Deck. And we got an 8.5. And for the grades, we got 9 on corners, 8.5 on edges, 9.5 on centering, and 8.0 on surface. And they've just been killing me on surface on these grades. I didn't see anything wrong with them, but I must have been scratching the card with the cloth that I got with my centering tool or something. That's all I can think of. Anyway, here's card number 2. It's the Team USA basketball trade card. That is from 1994 Upper Deck. And this one has, I asked for a custom label. And I did get a custom label. That's a new one. That's not bad. I thought it would be the USA flag. Because I've seen a few USA cards sent to HGA that had that, but I didn't specify. I just said custom. And anyway, so for the grades, we got 8.0 on corners, 9 on surface, 8.5 edges, and 9 on centering. And I'm seeing a tiny bit of white on the top 2 corners. Actually, all 4 corners, so that's why. So there's that. And here's the Shaq rookie, which should be splash match team, not match card. So yeah, you can see the Jordan, the orange kind of matches the smoke, I guess, on the card there. So this is a Shaq Ultra, Fleer Ultra rookie from 1992. And yeah, look at the blue that matches the team. And another 8.5. So we got 9s all around except for surface. We got an 8 again. So yeah, I don't know what to say. Must be scratching them. I'm gonna have to try a different cloth, I guess. And the last card I got is the same 1992 Fanimation, drawn by Jim Lee, famous comic book artist. And this one, just splash match card again. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got a 9.0. Yeah, and they are matching the yellow and orange and the purple background, I guess. I thought these would look pretty cool in these with these custom with these labels. And almost a true gem mint. So for the grades, we got 9.0 all around except for surface, which we got 8.5. So yeah, there we go. Michael Jordan, Agent 23. All right, and then I will probably be putting most, if not all of those onto eBay soon. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks.